It has now been 2 months since a powerful earthquake devastated Myanmar. In just moments, homes, schools, and dreams were shattered. In the immediate aftermath, World Vision responded swiftly, now reaching over 320,000 people, including over 100,000 children, with life-saving food, clean water, shelter, and emotional support. In the first month, we focused on survival, but survival is just the beginning. Now, we've begun the journey toward recovery, helping families to rebuild their shelters and to restore their livelihood.
ခုကျမတို့လောအားပေးတဲ့နေရာမှာတော့9ရက်တိတိလုပ်ခဲ့ရပါတယ်။စုစုပေါင်းငွေရတော့3,260,000ရရှိပါတယ်။ရတဲ့ငွေလေးကိုတော့အိမ်အတွက်စံစီစားငရုတ်ဝယ်ခဲ့ပါတယ်။10ရက်စာလောက်တော့လုံလောက်လေးတော့ဖြစ်သွားပါတယ်။
ဒီကတော့အစဦးပေါ်ဆရာကြီးသူတို့လုံကြုံလေးနေရမို့အခုကမိုးကနေနေရဆိုတော့အဆင်မပြေဘူးပေါ့ဆရာကြီးကလေးတွေနှစ်ယောက်ရဲ့ပညာရေးရရှိသေးတယ်လေဒီကတော့သူတို့ပါ
But the need is still overwhelming. The monsoon season is approaching. Families living without shelter are at risk for cold, illness, and trauma. Without a safe shelter, children can't sleep peacefully. Without steady income, families can't afford food, medicine, and school fees. Recovery is not just about rebuilding homes. It's about restoring dignity, protecting health, and giving children a chance to hope again. World Vision, alongside trusted local partners and the support of the international donors and communities, is committed to helping families stand on their own feet again. But we can't do it alone. This is just the beginning of recovery. Thousands of children and families are still waiting for safety, for stability, for a future. They still need us.